Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are trying to open up a compressed archive folder, and since the archive is either an unknown format or damaged, let's fix it guys. You just need to open up browser, search for 7-zip, is a type P, press enter, and comes up 7-zip website. Click on it and you just need to download your bit version of it. In my case I am using 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna download it. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After getting installed done, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on whatever file or folder you are having issue with, right click on it and select show more options. And now you just need to select the 7-zip and select extract here, and that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.